Welcome back. Let's take a tour of the course materials. Remember, this course is designed to provide support for your curriculum Math 110 course. Therefore, it is very important that you do the work in this course for each chapter or unit before you work on the corresponding unit in your Math 110 course. Remember, this course contains prerequisite skills. That means that these skills are going to be needed prior to doing the work in your Math 110 course. It is very important that you pay close attention to the due dates in both this course and your Math 110 course, as these courses work closely together. Let's begin by looking at the first unit. When you click on Unit 1, you'll be taken to a list of several different things. You have Unit 1 skills, a Unit 1 checklist, a link to MyMathLab Plus, and a journal entry. Click on Unit 1 skills. This page gives you an overview of the different skills that you will be working on in this unit for the support course. Read through that and then click the Next button. Then you'll be taken to a checklist. This is a checklist of the things that you will do for Unit 1 in your support course. Notice that the very first assignment is to complete an orientation to MyMathLab inside MyMathLab. Then you will take a skills check in MyMathLab. You'll review the problems that you missed on the skills check. You'll watch some videos in MyMathLab. Then you'll complete the Unit 1 skills review homework, and then you're going to do a journal entry. So let's proceed to MyMathLab. In order to go to MyMathLab, you'll click this gray box, and then you'll be taken directly to your MyMathLab homepage for your support course. Let's click on the Assignments button. Notice that the very first assignment is MyMathLab Orientation Homework. So you need to complete this first. When you click on the assignment, the first two things that you need to do are watch these videos. The How to Enter Answers video shows you how to enter different mathematical symbols. This next video, the Skill Builder video, is very important as it explains a feature that you have access to in your MyMathLab course that will help you with learning these different skills. Once you've watched those two videos, then you will need to work through these 8 questions, and it is important that you answer these 8 questions correctly so that you can move on to your next assignment. Once you've completed that, go back to your Assignments button. From there, you will then take the Unit 1 skills check. The skills check will help you to assess which concepts you need to brush up on. If you don't know how to do all the problems, it's okay. However, you want to do your best because remember, anything you answer correctly on this assignment will reduce the amount of homework that you'll need for the following unit. So if I click See Score, I've already taken the skills check. I made a 61.11. So I knew a little over half of the material. If we go to the MyMathLab gradebook, we can actually see that assignment and see which problems I missed. If you click Review, Review will open up the screen where you can actually see each of the problems that you answered correctly and didn't answer correctly. Let's go back to assignments. From the assignments, there's also a list of videos. If you click on the videos, there's several videos there to help you with this unit. Remember, you are allowed to use your calculator, and it is highly encouraged that you learn how to operate your calculator and use it for this class and your Math 110 course. Once you feel that you're ready to work on that homework assignment, you can go back to Assignments. And notice that on this homework, when I click See Score, I already have a 47.62. Remember, in order to get credit for this assignment, you need to score at least an 85%. We encourage you to work until you have a 100. So it'll start by telling you good news. You've already received some credit. And then when you open the assignment, you'll see that you have green checks for the problems that you've mastered. Those are the problems that you mastered from the skills check. And you only have a few problems left that you'll need to work on, the ones in blue. You'll need to work on those to score at least your 85%. So that's an overview of the work that you'll be doing in MyMathLab. Let's go back to Canvas. So let's look at a journal entry. Remember, journal entries are very important as they are worth 60% of your course grade. So when you work on a journal entry, you'll need to read the prompt and be prepared to answer those questions. Sometimes you may have a video to watch. Sometimes you may have to go to a website and do something and then come back, but make sure that you're ready to answer the questions in their entirety. Down at the bottom, if you scroll down, there's a journal entry rubric so you can see how your journal entry will be graded. Once you're ready to submit, you're going to click Submit Assignment. Scroll down to the text box where you can type in your answers to the questions and then click Submit Assignment. Don't forget that these journal entries are worth 60% of your grade, so they are very important. This ends the tour of our support course. Please contact your instructor if you have questions.